Hey guys, what's going on? I wanted to show you this screen that I bought for my RV. This particular one's made by Camco, and it's a screen to go over like the exhaust port on your heater so that bugs and like mice and stuff can't get up in there, and bees can't build a nest and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put this thing on and show you guys what it looks like. You know, you always gotta block off stuff like this. I've got stung almost every year at having an RV, and it's not much fun. It was twice in the electrical port. But this camper on the electrical port doesn't have a box. It mates like flush with the outside of the electric outlet, which is kind of nice. But this is a pretty big opening, and I'm going to kind of block this one off so they can't get in there. So the screen comes with a little tool and a couple springs. So it looks like you put the springs on the other side of this mesh piece, and you poke that little screwdriver thingamajig through it and lock them in place. Okay. So the easiest way that I found to do this is to kind of take your finger and push that little spring up, and then you gotta catch the end of the spring, this little tool, and then you hook it up and over the bar coming off of the exhaust thing. So now my lovely assistant, aka my wife, just put the little tool between the spring hole. I was going around the side of it and I couldn't get it on there. I thought it was because I couldn't see, but it was because I was doing it wrong. Okay, so we got this thing on, but let me tell you, no pun intended, it was a bugger to get this thing on. What I had to do on the top spring is I had to hold out the end of the spring a little bit, slide the tool through the middle of the spring, catch the other end and hook it in, and the same with the bottom. I kind of had to use my fingers to grab the spring, slide the tool through the middle of the spring so I could get enough meat on that hook and hook it over the thing. But it's on there now, and using that technique I was easily able to get it on there, and it should keep the bugs out. It's on there pretty good, and it shouldn't fall off. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.